Hey plant lover, welcome back. How are things looking? I'm guessing most of us are experiencing summers like never before. The video we are about to discuss is quite important. The reason is simple. We all know how to propagate cuttings or seeds in water. However, when it comes to transferring these to the soil, we have a 50-50 chance of them making it unscathed after. And in my book, that's not good enough for a gardener. I'm sure you agree. So let us get our specimen ready. Avocado is what we have today. If you have propagated avocado seeds in water, you know how easy that is. But you also know once taken into the soil, it dies or starts to rot in no time. And the method we would see today, if it can work with avocados, it can work with any kind of cutting or seed. Mark my words when I say this. So if you're ready, let's begin. Please don't forget to add Gaurav Chhikara Garden to your subscription list. Let's go. In the beginning, we have pretty basic stuff on our hands, so let's get on with it and raise ourselves a 2-month-old seedling of avocado. Once a couple of pairs of leaves are all spread out and roots start to coil inside the container, we're ready for our next step. The first step is to limit the oxygen intake of the roots by pouring in some gravel. This would help the seedling to prepare well for what's coming to it. Change in the growing medium from water to soil. Don't add any more water to the container given there are no drainage holes, and we want water to go away naturally, of course, evaporation and absorption. After 3 days, you got to add another ingredient into the container. This time, it's fine sand. Whatever kind, though, better to get hold of river sand works the best in the long run. We use sand because it leaves minimum air pockets if you compare it with other options we have, cocoa peat, garden soil, etc. And 3 more days after adding sand, we are ready to introduce the seedling to another pot. This time, a full-fledged pot. We will use a combination of garden soil and sand in an equal ratio to the potting mix. Please don't forget the drainage hole this time around. The most important thing here is to keep the seed above the soil. If it's buried even a little, the plant will die in no time. So keep that seed out in the open. Water immediately and thoroughly and wash off any soil on the seed. A month into the soil, we have to do another important process, cutting off the top of the plant. Again, this will help the plant to grow a stronger stem closer to the base. The cut should be made exactly halfway from the top and make sure there is a node right below the cut. A few centimeters is perfect, and seal the wound with a pinch of cinnamon powder. Now, sit back and watch the plant flourish in soil, bigger leaves and stronger stem. Hope you did enjoy the video, so make sure you like and comment and don't forget to subscribe. I'll take your leave now. Soon there would be another interesting video coming your way. Until then, please stay safe and keep growing plants wherever you can and however you can. Thank you, cheers, goodbye.